Before today's briefing, I asked Dr. Barbara Ferrer, how are the numbers? She responded, not good, and then said, in fact, they're awful.
Today, we're reporting 2,903 new cases. This is the largest number of new cases we have ever reported.
And it was only the beginning of the bad news today. In the last 2 weeks, hospitalizations up more than 20%. And of more than 1 million people tested, the positivity rate over 9%.
I wanted to talk with you for a minute about the alarming increases we're seeing in COVID-19 cases, positivity rates, and hospitalizations, and how these increases reflect the actions taken by businesses and individuals 3 to 4 weeks ago.
She then used charts showing that as many as 44% of the businesses now opened are not complying to the regulations. And she said this.
That on June 20th, the first weekend that bars in LA County were permitted to reopen, over 500,000 people visited nightlife spots across our county. We know today that there's a 42% increase in cases amongst younger people, those people between the ages of 18 to 40.
Fewer people are staying home, and 36% of those surveyed said that they are now having contact with people that they have stayed away from before.
These curves, as you'll see in a few minutes, are no longer flat. Instead, they all have a very steep upward trajectory.
Dr. Christina Galley said the rate of infection is much higher. The number of people who could be walking around with the virus and not know it was 1 in 400. Now she says it's down to 1 per every 150.
This is why it is so important for everyone to wear their facial coverings and to respect physical distancing whenever possible.
How critical is this? And obviously, people are not listening.
We can't sustain this rate of increase on positive cases. We just can't. Every day now, we're contacting thousands and thousands of people to tell them that they need to isolate and quarantine. So this train can be a runaway train if we don't put the brakes on it. But we can put the brakes on it. We've done right before. We just have to get our heads back into this sort of new normal that we're living in so that we can go ahead and continue on our recovery journey.
Over 100,000 positive cases now, and the 4th of July weekend coming up. And as a doctor put it, we are indeed in a critical time. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCAL 9 News.